This is an instructional installation video for the Lixon Biometric machine. The Lixon Biometric machine is a state-of-the-art fingerprint capture device. It's designed to help companies and industry effectively manage the daily attendance of its staff. The Lixon Biometric machine comes with the following items: the biometric capture device, a charger, a USB 2 cable, an adapter for Ethernet connection, a user manual and management software CD, a training DVD, the Team Viewer software. This software enables us to control your computer and do necessary installation for you if need be, irrespective of your location around the world. The Lixon Biometric machine comprises of a TFT screen that displays details and operations of the machine, a keypad for navigation and also to input details into the hardware, the fingerprint sensor, a charging port, USB flash drive port where you could extract daily attendance detail to a flash drive, a USB 2 port for syncing to a PC in order to extract data and manage the device to the time card software, a speaker, and wall mount screws. After unpacking the biometric machine, connect AC charger to the charging port and charge for 12 hours before proper use. To start your device. To turn on the device, hold the power button for the green light in the fingerprint sensor to come on. Wait for 5 seconds, the welcome screen comes on. We advise you to allocate an electric socket to this machine to be always plugged to electricity and switched off when not in use. Navigate through the Lixon Biometric machine is simply done by pressing the menu button on the keypad and using the up and down arrow or corresponding numbers on the application to select a function. The OK and Escape keys also serve as Yes and the No button. The OK button accepts functions while the Escape button rejects or takes you back to the previous window or the home screen when tapped multiple times. The time card software settings for the Lixon Biometric machine. Firstly, locate and install the time card software from the CD and run the software on a Windows operating system. Ensure the power cable of the machine is disconnected when connecting to the computer for easy connectivity. After installation, go ahead and launch the time card software. Login. There is no default password for the time card login at the first time. Click on OK to log in for the first time and it takes you to the main user interface. Organization's name. You can easily set your organization's name here through the following steps. Click Basic Setting at the top menu. Click Company Setting. Type your company name. Click Save and then Exit. Modify password. You can modify the login password of TimeCard here for security purposes. Click Basic Setting at the top menu. Click Modify Password. For first-time user, please leave the old password empty and input New Password, and retype the same in Password Confirm. Click OK. Main Interface. The main interface shows the main menu of TimeCard. The navigation shows detailed operation steps. Users can follow navigation to operate TimeCard step by step. Kindly follow every step in this interface to get your expected result. Note: always remember to click Save anytime to perform a command. Now, we start setting step by step by following the arrows on the interface. Please ensure the machine is connected to the computer via USB cable before starting. Machine management. This is where you synchronize your machine with your time card software. Hence, we add the device to the software through the following steps. Click Machine Management on the main interface. Click Add New Machine. Select the type of mode you would like to connect your machine through. For this, we prefer the machine type M9, common type USB, with machine number 1. This is easier to connect the machine to the software through USB cable. You can also connect machine using TCP/IP mode. Please check user manual. Click Next and it will display Machine has been successfully connected. You can see connection status from the red ticked sign right here. Set Property. This function updates the machine properties like machine date and time by just clicking on Set Property. Set Machine Time sets the time, and Get Machine Status gives you all details in the machine. Clear Admin. This simply clears everyone who has been made an admin in the machine. Initialize Machine. This function sets the machine back to its factory settings. You can return to the main menu by closing current page. Employee Register. From the main interface, click on Employee Register. This is where we input the employee's information into the software. Before importing employees' information from Microsoft Excel to software, always ensure the following parameters are met. Firstly, the database of the organization must be saved in Microsoft Excel 97 to 2003 format. It ends with the XLS, e.g. khmssamplesheet.xls. This is the copy of the Excel sheet with various fields like user ID, enrolled number, name, department, gender, job title, address, etc. The user ID must start from 1 and follow serially in the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. The staff ID will not accept punctuations, commas, slash, hyphen, etc. It accepts only numbers, hence ensure your staff ID is entered in form of unique numbers. Save Excel worksheet. Ensure to have this document filled properly before importing into software. Please endeavour you close the Excel sheet before importing into the software. Importing. If the organisation or school already have an existing employee database of her staff, it's always easier to just import them into the system first, and then upload the names of the staff into the machine from Machine Settings. Steps in importing Employee Register. Click Employee Register on the main interface. Click Import on the top middle area of the screen and a new tab appears. At the top of the new tab, locate the Excel file by clicking on double arrow. Search for location of your Excel sheet saved in 97 to 2003 format, e.g. khms.xls, on your system and click Open. The Excel sheet imports into the software on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on the enrolled number on the left side of the screen and match it to your Excel sheet's staff ID. Click on Import and it automatically imports all employee register. It displays Successfully Imported Employee Record. Close page. To add one employee or modify an employee information, to add employee data one at a time, or make modifications to imported register, take the following steps. Click Add or Modify on the Employee Register interface. Select Employee if you're modifying and make modifications like adding photo, age, shift, etc. You can edit the employee details to suit your requirement from here. Click Save and Exit. You can also export the employee register. Just click Export at the top middle area of the screen and save as an Excel sheet onto your computer. After doing this, it automatically creates the departments as written on your Excel sheet, even if you never created the departments before. You can also create new departments here. Attendance Rule. From the main interface, click on Attendance Rule. Attendance Rule enables you to set the rules for which the attendance counts or not. Number 1. Repeated punchover. Means you can set time internal for repeated attendance logon, e.g. you set 5 minutes as repeated punchover. It means repeated valid attendance log will be valid after 5 minutes of the first attendance log. For example, your first attendance log is 8 o'clock, the second log is 8:03, the third log is 8:06, then the third log is valid log and the second log is invalid because the internal is less than 5 minutes. Number 2. Count OT over. This simply means you set time for timecart to count attendance log as OT, overtime. For example, checkout time is 1800. You set 30 minutes here, that means the attendance log after 1830 will be counted as overtime. Number 3. Count late in over. This simply means that you set timecart to count attendance log as late. For example, check-in time is 9 o'clock, you set 5 minutes here. That means the attendance log after 9:05 will be counted as late. Number 4. Count early out over. This simply means you set time for timecart to count attendance log as early out. For example, checkout time is 1800, you set 5 minutes here, means attendance log before 1755 will be counted as early out. Number 5. Count absence over. This simply means if you set 120 minutes here, if late in time or early out time for one employee in one day is more than 120 minutes, timecart will ignore his working time to count as absence for this day. You can add more rules and modify them. Also at the right sidebar, you can select if early in, early out and break should be counted as attendance. Click Save to save settings and exit. Shift Management. From the main interface, click Shift Management. Shift Management. Shift simply means the working time of the employee. This entails the time they resume and close from daily job. You get to set up shifts to suit your organization. For schools, you might need just one shift. Steps. Click Add. Type the name of the shift and click Next. In this new tab, you can set shift timings. Earliest in, earliest time staff should come to work. Check in, time work should start. Check out, time work should end. Latest out, latest time staff should leave work. Click Save and Exit. Shift arrangement. From the main menu interface, click on Shift arrangement. Shift arrangement simply means enrolling the staff for a particular shift you created. Shift arrangement is used most commonly for organizations who use multiple shifts to manage their employees' working times, like morning, afternoon, and night shifts. For a school, it should be simply 7 a.m. till 4 p.m., or so, hence it might require all the staff to only be in one shift. Steps in arranging staff according to shift. Click on Add. Click Select Employee on the left side. Select staff you want by navigating through All Employee. You can select all employees or a department or a person. Click Add and click OK. The selected staff will appear on the left side of the screen. Select Shift on the screen top to select shift you want the staff to enroll. Select the date range you want the staff to be undergoing that shift. This can be for a duration of about 3 months, 1 term, or more. Simply select the start date and end date below and click Save to save that period of time you require. Click Save and exit. Leave management. Click on Add. Click Select Employee on the left side. Select the staff you want by navigating through All Employee. Click Add and click OK. The selected staff will appear at the left side of the screen. Select type of leave and reason you want the staff to undergo. Select the date range and time you want that staff to be undergoing the leave. Click Save and click Exit. Now we are done with all the software settings. Uploading the employee register into the machine. Ensure power cable is disconnected while connecting through USB to the computer. It's always better to upload the employee records into the machine when dealing with a multiple number of employees. Firstly, go to Machine Settings and ensure the device is connected via M9. To do this, go to Machine Settings. Click Add a new machine and select machine type to be M9 and click Next. To upload employee register into the machine, go back to the main interface and click on Machine Management. Select the machine at the left side of the screen and click Connect the machine below. The machine connection display will show a connection sign, red ticked sign. At the top side of the screen interface, click Employee Register. Select the employees you want to upload, all employees, a department, or specific employee. Then click Upload Username to Machine on the right side of the screen. The employee's name and staff ID will automatically be uploaded into the machine. After uploading is complete, check the machine for the names of employees uploaded. Press Menu, press OK to enter register, press OK to enter new reg. You will see the names arranged serially. Enrolling fingerprints. After uploading the employee register into the machine, you can enroll each employee fingerprint into the machine by taking the following steps on the machine. Press Menu. Press OK to enter register. Press OK to enter new reg. Scroll through the names in the register by using the up or down button. Press OK to enter selected name. Scroll down 2 times to Finger and press OK. Put a finger on the sensor 3 times with 2 seconds interval. Fingerprint will register. Press Escape to go back. Then enroll the next employee. Note: sensor will only recognize only the enrolled finger, not all of your 5 fingers. You can enroll password and RFID cards through the same process. Setting admin. A user or some users can be set as admin. Only users set as admin can have access to the device interface through fingerprint or through password or RFID cards. To make a user admin, press Menu, press OK to enter register, press OK to enter new reg. Select the user to be made an admin in register. Click OK. Scroll down to admin and press OK. Scroll down to admin or super user to enable that user as admin. Note: it is always advisable for admins to set passwords, PWD or RFID cards for emergency situations. Once admin is set, no one can access the menu as it will request for manager confirmation. Download attendance records into software. We can easily download our daily, weekly or monthly attendance records through 2 simple methods: connecting the machine to the computer via USB cable, transferring attendance records from machine to USB flash, and importing from USB flash to software. Connecting the machine to the computer via USB cable. Ensure the machine is connected to the computer via USB cable only. click Machine Management from Main Interface. Click Download Attendance Records on the top left side of the screen. Select Machine from the left side tab and click Connect the Machine. Machine must be connected to the computer for this kind of download. It will display Machine has been connect with a red tick sign. Select Download All Attendance Records or Download New Records, depending on your preference, and also select Download Date Range. Select Download Attendance Records tab by the right side. It will automatically download records you requested. Transferring attendance records from Machine to a USB flash drive. It's always advisable to have a dedicated USB flash drive only for collection of data from Machine into the computer. Plug a USB flash drive into the USB flash drive port on the machine. Press the menu button. Scroll to Set COM option and press OK. Select U-Down and press OK. Scroll to Download All G-Log, then press OK. Then it downloads. Scroll to All Enrolled Data to download user data and press OK. Then it downloads all records of attendance in the machine into the USB flash drive. Importing from flash drive. Ensure you have downloaded data from the Lixon Biometric machine into the flash drive and connect flash drive to computer. Select Machine from the left side tab even if the machine is not connected to the computer. Select Download All Attendance Records or Download New Records, depending on your preference, and choose the period of download. Select Import from USB Disk tab by the right side. It opens the flash drive. Select the file with this name, 001_AG log. Click Open and it will automatically download records you requested. Download employee fingerprints from machine to computer. Here we get to download the employee's fingerprints from the machine. Steps. Ensure the machine is connected to the computer via USB cable. Select Machine from the left-hand side tab and click Connect the Machine. It will display Machine has been connect with a red sign. Select Machine Management and click Download Attendance Records. Select Download Fingerprint Template from Machine tab on the right side. It automatically updates into the system. For cases where an organization is using two machines, do all the above settings on one machine, then upload all settings and information like fingerprint, name, etc. into the software and then upload it into the second machine. This way you save time and collect information once. Generating report. Attendance analysis. This processes attendance logs according to shift and attendance rules you set to generate report. Steps. Click on Attendance Analysis of the main interface. Select the report of person or group. Select the time period. Click OK and it will compile report. Note, you need to compile the attendance analysis before you generate the report of all records, daily or monthly. Final report. All records report. Select All Records Report for compilation of attendance of every day in the month. Click Monthly Report at the top center screen. Save the file in your computer. Click Export and Save File. Backup information. To back up the information on your software, click System Management at the topmost area of the screen. Select Database Backup. Select the start date range and the end date range of information you want to save. Click Database Backup to backup or click Database Restore to restore database. Select the location you want to save backup and save. For questions, please contact us at www.lixonmobile.com or send us an email to dixon.nsofor@yahoo.com. Call us at working hours 9 a.m. 5 p.m. on weekdays on +234 701 2934 957 or +234 703 836 8366. If you purchase our device and you are far, please download the TeamViewer software. Give us a call and we will schedule a time to help out with the installation of the time card software. Thank you for purchasing the Lixon Biometric machine. Lixon, Nigeria. Believe.